What do they have?
A donut tire?
Yeah, they have like a ton of sweet stuff. It's really nice out actually. I mean, it's a little chilly.
Not frozen, but
You're cold.
cold.
I'm like good. How do you open? Thank you. Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
And we did make beautiful. Almost got my head.
Chills.
It's getting kind.
But it's a whole different song.
Oh my gosh. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm starting a new video off. I am currently in, I don't know where I am specifically, but I'm en route to Messina, New York to visit my cousin. I don't know if you guys are familiar, I don't know if I've talked about it before, but my cousin Zach plays in the NHL for the Toronto Maple Leafs. He previously played for the Lightnings, which just won, so and then he played for Winnipeg Jets before that, and Messina is where he grew up, I think. But anyways, he married my cousin, so my first cousin he married, which is pretty cool, and we're all really close, and they have 3 kids, Harper, Hunter, and Mila, which are my cousins. And then my mom's side, so my mom is like one of 6, and my dad is one of 3, so I just have so much family. I'm 100% Italian, like I just have like so much family. Really quick, I wanted to show you guys, because we're on the route there. We're literally like in like a hillbilly town or something. Like it's so country. Like, so we went to get gas, like stop at the gas station, and my dad was like, what is this? But it's so cool. Like I've honestly just been like having such a good time. It's like a 5-hour drive. We were actually gonna fly, but I guess they didn't have like, I don't know, like excuse all that stuff, but I guess they didn't have like one extra flight that we needed or something. So like, what? Look, that's the gas station. That's so funny. I love like seeing new things and like traveling, but anyways, it's like a little mini road trip. But what I was saying is my mom's one of 6, so I literally have so many cousins, and then my aunt had 4 kids, so I'm really close with them. Those are my first cousins. They're all older than me. They're like in their 20s, I mean in their 30s, but anyways, we're really close, and so that's why we're going down to visit some family, because when the Lightnings won the Stanley Cup, I don't know if you guys watch hockey. I only watch it because like my cousin's in it, really, honestly. Maybe the Bruins I watch sometimes, but yeah, so he has the cup. That's why we want to go. Well, my dad texted me, he's like, we have to go see Zach. He's like, let's go. And it was his birthday, so we're all gonna just be together. I mean, there's like so hard for us all to get together in the same like place, I feel like, because we're always just doing like, you know, your schedules don't align. And then you know, of course my mom and my sister have a soccer tournament down in Colorado, so, you know, they're just like, that's how it is when you just like play soccer. That was how I was when I grew up. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go there. We'll be there around, it's 7:30 right now. We left at like 3 in the morning. And so we'll get there around like...
Who called?
What?
Somebody called me or something?
Yeah. I'd say we get there at like...
Huh? What?
You look so good. I'm talking to my camera. He's so confused. He was like, who are you talking to? Anyways, it's like 7:30 right now. We should get there for probably like 9:10 maybe. 7, 8, 9, 10. Like, yeah, 9. We're like 3 hours away. It's a 5-hour drive. And yeah, so he has the cup, the Stanley Cup. So each player on the team gets it for a day. So he's gonna have it today. I don't know what we're doing with it. I think they're just having a party tonight, like a little, like a lake party. They live on a lake. Just like by the water, like on like a boat or something like that. So yeah, we'll just be with family, pretty casual. I don't know, but I'm excited, and yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. Seeing the drive up here has been so nice. Like, I literally woke up and just like watched the sunset from like 6 to 7, and like I think I was up at like 5. I just keep like dozing off, but I'm really trying to just like take it all in and like watch. Yeah, it's like so cool. And then I'm drinking this juice. I just have like a green pressed juice, which is nice.
Do you want to go into a vintage country store?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know why you didn't go in.
What's in there?
It's old.
Like, wait,
It's a country store.
Can I go look? I like vintage.
Indian store.
Yeah, I know, but like, is there like a cowgirl hat?
Maybe.
All right, I'm going in. You don't have to convince me to go into a store.
Hey, Nancy.
Actually, I like this.
Grant Lake, you know, I like the color.
Ooh, I like the blue.
That's mine.
What's yours? Your blue?
What? Sure.
I really like this. Wait, what does it look like on? Maybe get Juliana something. Yeah. Squad. You.
Different color, maybe?
You're not buying. That is so hideous.
I wear these for work.
You wear those hats?
I work outdoors, I do.
Well, that's interesting.
Burn my head.
Oh wait, look at there's like full send. You look so interesting. You look like you belong.
Just go up.
Is there cowgirl hats? You look like you're from like the Sahara Desert.
You know what? I don't like your taste. Alright? And my taste has been around way longer than your taste.
What's your taste? Let's hear it.
Of what?
Like, what's your taste? What do you buy for? What is your taste? What's your drip? Like, what's your style?
In what?
Clothing!
What do you mean, what's my style? I'm hip. Hip, hop, hippity hop, 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 hippity hop.
Oh
Hip, hop.
Dad, that doesn't even make sense.
Vanessa, how does it not make sense?
Because I like trucker hats. And you're trying to tell me they're like not a thing, and they
They're
are.
not.
They absolutely are.
In my world, they're not.
Well, I don't know what world you're living in.
I live in the United States of America.
I'm just saying, like, all over Instagram, they're selling hats like that, trucker hats.
No, that's silly. Because they're ugly.
They're cute. I have like 5 of them.
Again, I just agree to disagree. Change.
Why it snows. I don't need it, light it by the wood.
here.
Nothing. I just want to take a picture. I want to take a picture.
Careful. All right.
I want to take a picture.
Okay, you have to hold it nice like that. Tell them what you're doing. Say, I'm with my cousins.
With my cousin.
What are you guys playing with? The toys? Okay. Ready? Go. Just hit it. No. We just got to Messina. I'm about to do my makeup. I think tonight we're going on a little family thing. And I'm about to do my makeup.
-3, baby. -3. Wow. We did best ball.
It's okay.
Well, we actually did pretty
You
well.
look so pretty today. Look, you want to show your bracelet? Wow, so pretty. You look so good.
So wait a minute. Let me put you right here. Let me get this guy.
So then, that is like that. But there you go. It's yeah, very unique.
Let me see. Is it heavy?
The team buys it for them. Yes.
That is insane. Oh my God.
It is. It's but it's one of the best rings I've seen in all the years that I've done it.
Don't get it stuck. Your fingers are so
And
But you can't realistically wear this thing.
I know you can't. And they gave his wife.
Yeah, look, it's huge.
Nope, let's turn it this way. There you go. So they gave her. Oh, it's not there. But they gave her like this big necklace, and it's basically shaped like the whole front of the. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Good job, Hunter!
Look at him.
Look at this.
He's in training!
One more time. Fireworks, solid adoption, loosening the grip on the fake Cold War. Isn't it amazing that it's been accomplished?
Who is that? No, who's in the picture?
Daddy.
What did he do?
Scored a goal.
Really? No way. That's so cool. Are you gonna play when you're older?
Yeah, I am older.
You're older?
Yeah.
Are you gonna play hockey when you're older?
Yeah, I am older.
Oh, so you play hockey?
With us?
Turn around, see the world.